Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore BMW iX charging schedules with My BMW App, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your BMW iX charging schedules using the My BMW app, start by ensuring that your vehicle is parked and fully charged. Open the My BMW app on your smartphone. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Vehicle tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select your BMW 9 from the list of vehicles if you have multiple. Scroll down to find the charging section. In the charging section, tap on Charging Schedules. Here, you will see your existing charging schedules. If you need to restore a schedule, look for the option to Restore Default Settings or Reset Schedules. Confirm your choice to restore the default charging schedules. After restoring, you may want to set a new schedule according to your needs. To add a new schedule, tap on the Add Charging Schedule button. Enter your preferred start time for charging. Select the days of the week you want this charging schedule to apply to. Choose the desired charging limit, if applicable. Review your selections and confirm by tapping Save. The app will then update the charging schedules for your BMW 9. You will receive a confirmation message once the schedules are successfully restored. Make sure to check your notifications for any reminders regarding your charging schedule. Your BMW 9 should now be ready to charge according to the restored or newly set schedules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.